Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. Talking about arbitraging, talking about all these new things to come, talking about this new Apex. Now Apex is it's a high leverage trading. It's pretty awesome, but there's also passive incomes too. So never forget that. If you go back to your facts and figures, you can figure all that out. You jump over to here, and if you go over to Apex, see if it'll let us go over there. Come on. There we go. You got the Apex Basics, arbitrage trading. This is the one that's a passive income, is the Boost Vault. Basically, you're putting your money into the vault, and then people are borrowing it to make more money for them, and then you're making a return because they're borrowing your money. You have the insurance style pool, so there's another passive income. So you got two passive incomes. And then you're also going to have the shadow trading, another passive income. And then you're going to have your regular trading. So you have all these things that are to our disposal once it goes live. So even if you're not a trader, there's still a lot you can do. Don't feel like the game's over. It's just beginning. But Apex is where it's at for me. I like it a lot. Simple trading, but it's leverage trading, so we can actually make a profit. So let's take a look. Here we go. We're over here on Apex. Right now it's beta test mode. And let's see if we can find a trade. Let's see what's going on here. Let's put some indicators on here. See if it'll cooperate. Moving average, and I already passed up the MACD. There we go. That's all we need. So we need to make money. So basically on the day chart, we're getting a red candle after pushing up into support. This is the ceiling here. So this would be resistance, sorry. Support would be the floor. So we're hitting the bottom of this, so we're trying to push through. Hasn't done it yet. 1 hour says it has, and it's come back down. But MACD says we're still going down. We have across the zero line down here, and the signal lines have crossed up here. They're basically telling you the same thing. Just depends which ones you'd like to see better. So let's take it smaller so we can find something we can do with this. Now here we're almost getting a zero line break on the 5-minute chart. Almost there. We're below, so it's a good sell trade. We're just waiting for the break below. But if you don't get the break below on the zero line, then it may turn into a buy trade real quick. Or we're just going sideways and there's no way possible to even make a profit. And that's what it kind of looks like it's doing. We'll take it down to 1-minute chart. Take a look. 1-minute chart said we had a viable sell trade. But that was ended right here. Let's change the candles on this real quick. So we had the Hakanashi had 3 candles coming down, 2 going up. So we'll see. Maybe we're still coming down. Looks like we're still got a sell trade going on. I'd take that right there. So right now it's still looking viable. It's coming down. We're in a little bit of profit, not a whole lot. See if we can get another push down. So the MACD is telling us we've got a strong down trade. Candles, Heikin-Ashi telling us we've got a strong down trade. And we're underneath the moving average. The 15-minute chart says we have indecision. It's not sure which way it wants to go. So that's definitely not good for us, but it is red, so that's a good sign. But we're trading off the 5-minute right now. We get across to this line right here where I just put my cursor, that's where the exit is. So today everything's slow moving, that's for sure. There we go. Come on. So everything's looking good for this trade so far. Got a strong cross the zero line. Signal lines are crossed. Heikin-Ashi still red and below the moving average. Yeah, the last trade I did was a loss, so we're trying to come back with another win if it's possible. But it's definitely not up to us. It's definitely up to those candles, so we'll see what happens. There we go. We're getting to a little bit of profit. See if we can get just a little bit more. That looks good to me. There we go. Now you have it. Another profitable trade. All right, you guys, stay ARB strong. Hang in there. Learn from this. If this doesn't work for you, we can find something else. But this system's been making me quite a bit of money for the last couple years, so I wouldn't kick it to the curb if I were you. This could be your bread and butter trade. All right, have a good day.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.